If your 2022 Dodge Durango's Apple CarPlay is glitching or won't connect, we have 5 proven fixes to get you back on the road. Most connection failures aren't hardware defects, but simple software handshake errors between your iPhone and the Uconnect system. Let's start with the most effective diagnostic steps to identify the root cause of the blackout. Performing a soft reset of the Uconnect head unit is the fastest way to clear out cache errors without losing your settings. If you use a wired connection, ensure you are using an Apple-certified cable and check your charging port for debris. Wireless CarPlay relies heavily on Siri being enabled and correct permission settings within your iPhone's privacy menu. Understanding if the issue is a software bug or a physical port failure will determine if you need a dealership visit. As you can see, a simple system reset solves the vast majority of Durango CarPlay complaints. If the soft reset fails, try updating your firmware or performing a hard battery disconnect to force a full system reboot. You only need a few basic tools and a high-quality cable to perform these troubleshooting steps at home. Keeping your Uconnect software up to date is the best way to prevent these connection drops from happening again. If these steps helped you get your maps back on screen, hit subscribe for more Durango tech tips. Drive safe.